guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Nolo Tori. If you are on this channel, it's probably because you love the topic that I am knowing how to make money, especially online. And in this video, we are going to talk about 5 legit companies that offer English teaching jobs, and they do not sideline South Africans, they do not sideline Africans. So let's get down in today's video. But before that, please make sure that you are subscribing. Please do subscribe. It helps the channel grow, and of course do share. As much as I'm sharing this information, which I did research on, and I have done took all the steps to verify that the companies are legit. What the information I give you, it's legit. Please also do share to your friends, your cousins, your family members. Let's all make money. There's just too much money to make out there. We don't have to just keep it to all ourselves. The first company that I want to talk about is ABC 360. This is a China-based company, and just like any other companies, how much you make, it will depend on how much work you want to take. Their payment ranges from $11 to $15. Okay, so that's what you are gonna get per hour. And if you want to make more money, it's obvious you have to take more and more students. And to be a teacher on this platform, you're going to need a TESOL certificate or TEFL certificate, of which TESOL certificate you can get the link to the institution that I have obtained mine using my referral link in the description box there, of which you are going to get a massive discount in obtaining that certificate, because you can do it from about 300 something, 340 something if I'm not mistaken. So go check it out with my referral link and get your certificate today and start applying for those. Another company that you can apply with or check the online jobs is Pulfish. This is the one that I am with, baby. They are so legit, and the good part of it is you can also have it on your phone. You can download the app and download it from Play Store and chat with your students and get paid, even if you don't do the video call and everything. So go check the Pulfish. And the requirements for this: you are required to have a bachelor's degree in any field, and you're gonna need to have TESOL and TEFL certificate. Okay guys, for me to stop mentioning TEFL and TESOL certificate, I think let me just put it out there. All these English teaching jobs, you are required to have TEFL or TESOL certificate, and I told you where you can get a cheap TESOL certificate through my affiliation link, and you're gonna get a massive discount. So go get those certificates, and that's the only way that you are going to be able to apply, because other companies don't even require your bachelor's, don't even require experience. So the most thing that they require is for you to be a native English speaker and to also have a TEFL or TESOL certificate. And Pulfish, their charges range from it's $10 to $18. Yes, and it's quite good money, though. As a South African, our limit is gonna be at $12 per hour. So do check them out and apply. Another company that you can apply with, this one, because I can't even pronounce it, I had to even write it on my phone because I don't want to say things that don't even exist. It's Hujiang. It's a China-based company whereby they offer English teaching jobs online, or you can even apply through them and go teach in their country. And they have the base payment of $16 to $20. Well, they pay they have good rate. So do check them out, and it focuses mostly on children and exam preparation, such things. And for you to qualify for this, we all know the TEFL and TESOL certificate. But another thing, you need to be a South African native English speaker, fluent in English, so you can start applying for this. And the bachelor's degree is required, as well as teaching experience, prior teaching experience, that will add as an advantage. So do it. Go. Another company that you can check out is Say ABC. It also takes South Africans. Go Google them out, guys. They offer the base payment from $15 to $28, and their classes is about 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Most of these companies, their classes is from 30 minutes to 60 minutes. So it's not that lot of time, and the money that they pay, I feel it's good, because when you convert it to South African rands, that's a lot of money. And lastly, we have Micro Language Company. It's also a China-based company. They also have a base payment of $18 to $20. Do check them out. And these ones, they deal with kids from age of 3 to 18 years who their parents of course want them to learn English. So guys, those are the companies that I have experience with. Some I've worked before, and some I applied and I didn't get in, but I'm not gonna give up. Hey, I'm gonna keep on applying. And remember, you are not me, I'm not you, so you might do better than I have done. So get your TESOL certificate and apply, and don't forget to use the link in my description box to get a cheap TESOL certificate, which works like any other expensive TESOL certificate, just that with my affiliation link you're gonna get a huge discount. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't watched the previous video on the requirements of teaching English online, do check it out. Thank you guys. Bye bye.